Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can wireframe in Framer. So let's get straight into it. Now I will show you the fastest way because it's available, so why not? As you already know, Framer has a built-in library of pre-made unstyled wireframe sections. So if we go here to the top left corner where you see Insert tab, click on it, and now you can search for something like, if we type in hero, we have this element right here, or we can go FAQ. So searching for FAQ is pretty much here in the collection. You will see FAQ like that. And yeah, what you can do now is just press on it, and here on the right side you will have now the option to edit this FAQ. You see it here in the back end of the database, what you have available right here. You can adjust every question, every answer to your FAQ, and it will be shown right over here when you edit that. So if I change now the colors, it will be much better because you will see something. Right now you can't. So let's go here to the black one. So you see it now, it works. I will just change the color here to black, like that. And as you can see now, this FAQ basically is active. It's working. As I already mentioned, what you need to do is just, if you select it and then click here at the FAQ list, you will be redirected to the back end of the FAQ, and here you have all the question and answers that you can edit, and that's pretty much it. When you are done with that, you just leave it in the page and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next